Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through 4 signs your iPhone could be compromised. So if you want to check, or probably you're not so sure, maybe you have been spying on or your iPhone is being compromised, here is a quick guide on how or 4 signs that you might look into for you to be able to be sure that your iPhone is not compromised. So the first thing you have to do is open your settings, then tap on your name on your profile, then from there try and check your subscription option. Then from there you can have access to, once you open your subscription option, then you have the list of the app that is currently running subscription on your phone. So you just check through the list. If you notice there is a particular app that you did not offer any subscription to, and maybe by underground they just subscribe to your phone and you're removing your money from your account using your link credit card, you might just check it from here. Then you can just take the right decision by just trying to remove them from your subscription list so that they don't renew their subscription using your card. Also, after that, then go back again, tap on password and security. Under password and security, you might want to change some important features, like for example, change your iPhone your Apple iCloud security. You can also try and change your number, others like that. And also you can also check for payment and shipping. You can also check for payment and shipping. If so, right here, just gonna have to input your iCloud password. Okay, just gonna do that now. Just in your own case, your phone might just simply request for your Face ID, just for you to be able to have access to the payment section. So once you're able to get in there, so just check the list of the card that have been linked to your iPhone. So check them through if they are your cards, or if not, try and remove any form of card that you notice that not will one way or the other linked to your card. Just remove them. Then after that, you can close that. Just check if there's a particular card that is linked to your account. Then after that, and just simply change your Apple ID password, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.